Welcome to our practical tutorial. Today we're unlocking the ultimate weapon for mastering market rotation, the relative strength indicator. Still deciding between tech growth and traditional value stocks? A simple QQQ to SPY ratio gives you the direct answer. Building this powerful indicator requires zero manual input. Just open My Indicator, go to the My Indicator samples list at the top, find relative strength, and click Copy on the right. The system will automatically jump to the settings page with all conditions perfectly filled out for you. As you can see, the category is symbol ratio. The left is the QQQ close price and the right is the SPY close price. Dividing the two calculates the exact relative strength ratio. Just verify and click the blue Save button at the bottom. Once saved, how do we use it in practice? We ran a massive 20-year backtest on QQQ to prove its power. This strategy is clever. Instead of absolute values, we use its 21-period range rank. Entry condition, buy when the range rank crosses above 1. This means tech weakness has hit rock bottom and is starting to reverse a perfect dip buying signal. Exit condition, sell when the range rank crosses below 99. This means extreme tech euphoria is fading, signaling a decisive profit taking. Let's check this 20-year report card. Across 81 trades, the strategy's win rate is a staggering 76.5%. You might notice the 428.2% total return is slightly lower than the 504.8% buy and hold return. But look at its core advantage. Its time in market is only 41.0%. This means with less than half the holding time, you avoided over half the market's long-term volatility and downside risk, while still capturing a solid 8.7% annualized return. Capital efficiency is exceptional, and risk exposure is drastically reduced. Stop guessing where the smart money goes. Go to the samples list now, copy it with one click, and apply this highly efficient, high win rate strategy to your trading. See you next time.